Okay, so there's a couple different ways you can make the check-in and check-out document, okay? So if you look at the one that I gave you, and it'll be check-in, check-out example 3. Okay, so I have it set up like this. And like I said, there's about a million different ways you can set this up. The first thing that I would always do is I would have a column, or I'm sorry, a tab for your values, however you want to rate the kids. So we use like a 0, 1, and 2. Okay, and like here would be me, right, as a teacher. And then like I have another teacher right here, okay? But you can check out the other examples that I did, because we've done them for like our gym teachers and things like that. And what we also do is that we have them accumulate the total for the kid for each teacher. Okay, so what you do is you go in and add your categories right here. So you're going to rename this. You can call it whatever you want, but I just did values. Okay, and then it's just 0, 1, and 2 is the point system, okay? And then the first teacher, obviously I'll just use myself. Okay, and you do 1, because then what you're going to do is copy and paste the other ones. So you go ahead and you're going to make your categories. So mostly our categories are like on task, rules, and respectful. Okay, and the date goes in the top. So I'll just do that. Okay. And you do it for every day of the week. Okay, so, but right here, let's just do this here first. Control C. It'd be like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, and get all of this other stuff out of the way here. There. Totals. Actually, you know what? I usually put it right in that category. Use. All right. So set this up with the kids. So normally we put these in period order for the person. So okay, I'll just, get 3 names here. And so, but let's say, like they're in different classes. So let's just take him, put him down here. Okay. And then what you would do then is just take your row, highlight it, Control C, and then move it like right here for him, V. And then there you go, you got it for another kid. That's just if you do it like period by period, because we're in high school, so we see so many kids, different times of the day. So what you want to do here is put the date in, and remember what you're going to do is you're going to change it from general to long date, and then when you click in here, it'll be that date. So I didn't really want a long date. Let me change that to short date. Perfect. So now I'm just going to come in here and do Control C, and I'm going to Control V. I understand what I'm asking here. Okay, so Control V, Control V, Control V. All right, now I know they're not all the 18th. So I'm going to take this, change that to 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, move that guy out of the way, and 21. All right. Okay. So I'm going to take this, and we're going to merge Same thing with that one. Merge. 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 All right, and we should be able to just highlight that line, Control C, and click over there and Control V. Okay, so for some odd reason, this guy here got a little fat, so we're gonna skinny him up a bit. There we go. Now, don't need so much room here. Do not at all. And just snuggle these guys in a little bit. All right. And then, there we go, shorten that up a bit. Okay, so then I'm going to go like that to that line, and I want to do, I usually like centering stuff. Center. Okay. All right, now you get to put the drop-down menus in. So much fun. All right. So I usually just pick one. Data validation, and it's going to be from a list, right? Then I need you to come on over to your values column, highlight, click in the box, sorry, click in the source box, then go over to your values column, and then you're going to highlight your information. Oh, look at that, does not want to listen to me. So I'm going to cancel for a second. Okay, so I want it in this box, and I'm going to go to data validation. This doesn't always cooperate, that's why I hate to say it. I like to use Google Sheets sometimes. List, go to value again, click right in here, and then come down. So if you saw what happened before, it wasn't like literally pulling from the correct tab that I needed to. So I just kind of went back to the beginning, go back to where I needed to be, and then I tried it again. And then I went to apply. All right, now, so my drop-down menu is there, okay? What you're going to do here is make life very simple for yourself. You're going to go right there, and then you're going to go to where this little cross is in the corner. You're going to pull it. So now there'll be one in every single column. Then you're going to make your life even easier for yourself, and then you're going to highlight all three, do Control C, and then come over here, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. And here we go again. Highlight all those, Control V, again, again, and last but not least, there we go. Okay, so now you can pretty it up if you want to. Okay, so with the colors, you can. All right, so highlight this whole thing right here, and you're going to go to Home, and drop-down menu right here. All right, so I also got to stretch out a couple of friends here. All right, so what I also did here is I did the colors. I mean, you can go right ahead. You could do those at the very beginning to kind of save yourself some time if you want. Once you have the color picked out, you can just highlight them and then just hit the paint palette. But like I said, this is just cosmetic right now. Now the nice thing is that when you go on to the next week and you got to change the dates, all you have to do is go in there and double click and then you'll be fine. All right. Okay, formula time. Pretty simple. So actually, you know what I'd like to do? Let's see, this is what I would like to do. I am going to go to View, and I want to freeze. And I'm going to just freeze this first column. All right. Reason why I want to do that is because when I move this little bar at the bottom, you can still see the kids' names. It's easier. All right, so I'm going to go into total right here, and I'm going to insert my formula. There we go. I like to have my little home button here. Go into there, equal sum, and parentheses. And this will now be, no, not that one. Go way to the beginning. And we are going to highlight every single box, straight across, all the way to the end. There it is. And then close the parentheses because we're done talking. Hit enter. There we go. And obviously no totals because we haven't selected any numbers yet. Then what you're going to go over here is drag down the formula right to there. Oh, not like that. Hold on. There we go. Drag it down. Okay. And then over here, okay, so then right here, you could actually, if you wanted to come over here and just enter the formula in on your own, that'd be easier. So just equal sum, go like that. And you know, you're gonna go basically from B8, you know, B8 colon to T8 parentheses, done. All right. So what you want to do now is add another teacher. So just right click and hit duplicate. And I'm just going to change this one. And I'll just do, there we go, other teacher. All right, so what I want you to do is just go into these categories. I'm just going to do this really quickly. I'm just going to put a 1 here. There we go. Do that. Okay, oh, hold on, that did not work out. Hold on. I think I want it to work. Let me see. Copy, Control C, and Control V. There we go. Let's make sure that is working now. For some odd reason, that lovely little copy paste was not working. Did it again. Okay, that seems like a happy camper now. Did that work? Okay, there we go. Hey, these things happen sometimes. Go over to here, and there we go. Okay, so then as you can see, it's totaling. All right, now I'm going to go over to mine here, make sure that life is okay, and see that didn't work out over here, so it didn't copy very well to the second line. Control C, Control V. You know, life doesn't always work out like you want. Highlight it all. Da-da-da. Control V, Control V. There we go. And life is happy. And let's just put somebody in that column. 2. Let's put a 2 over there. I'm just basically just putting numbers in so we can test out the theory of adding up the numbers. Okay, so now right here we're going to put in another one, and it is going to say total. Because, so one of our, he's our social worker, he keeps track of everybody's check-in and check-out for every teacher. So then this will add up the child and give them a score for like the entire week for a bigger spreadsheet that he does for the district. And we did not align that one. Oy, oy, oy. There. Life was not looking so good for that guy. All right. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to enter in a total for each kid. So we're going to do Anna, John, and Lewis. All right. Okay, and these are their totals. And you're going to grab them from each of these, okay? So the formula is pretty simple. Just go over my total column and take a look. Okay, so it's equal and then sum, then the person's last name, exclamation mark, and then the actual total category with a column, okay? So I'm gonna come over here Okay, so equal sum, open up parentheses, and you can do Munster, okay, and that would be then Munster U, and Munster is, what are you, Munster? You are U4, U5, and U8 for U4, and then exclamation mark, comma, OK, USSICK, and this would be U4, exclamation mark, and then close the parentheses. Ugh, too many close parentheses. And then enter. Okay, what are you not happy with? So let's look at this. I'll cross that. Okay, so what happened is, there we go, this is going to go here. Exclamation mark will go here. Oh, why did you change? Don't change. Why did you change my stuff? Go at the end there and press enter. There we go, kids. Okay, so exclamation mark and then the U4 and then another U4 for the next person. And then you can just take your little plus sign and carry it down for everybody else. And it'll change it for you. So you only have to put it in once. So the hardest part basically is just put it in the formula without trying to screw up the exclamation mark like I did. Okay, so this is basically how you do your check-in and check-out.